Hello, this is Victor from Crewe, and I am delighted to show you around this Audi S3 2.0 TFSI Black Edition Sportback S Tronic quattro. Finished in blue and powered by 2-liter TFSI petrol engine, delivering accelerating 310 PS and paired with S Tronic automatic transmission, the S3 Black Edition combines blistering performance with sophisticated styling. At the front, the LED headlights with high beam assist provide excellent visibility while ensuring aggressive road presence, and the 18-inch 5-arm design alloy wheels, finished in striking magnesium look, provide both style and performance. The practical boot with 60/40 split folding rear seats provides flexibility for carrying larger items, and the 4 lashing points ensure everything stays secure. The rear cabin offers premium comfort, featuring ISOFIX child seat mounting points, ensuring safety for younger passengers. The LED ambient interior lighting creates refined atmosphere, and rear air vents ensure enhanced airflow and climate control for passengers in the back. The front sport seats provide exceptional support with manual adjustment and heating functions, ensuring comfortable ride in all seasons. The flat bottom leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with shift paddles enhances driving control, integrating audio, navigation and hands-free communication controls. Behind it, the Audi Virtual Cockpit provides fully digital high-resolution display, delivering real-time data and information in fully customizable format. The Audi is fitted with dual-zone electronic climate control, which ensures optimal cabin temperature, allowing driving passengers to tailor the settings for maximum comfort. And the infotainment system comes with DAB digital radio and media interface for wide selection of radio stations and seamless media playback, as well as Bluetooth connectivity and Audi smartphone interface for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and MMI navigation, SD card based, which offers intuitive navigation with live traffic updates, and Audi Connect services, allowing you to stay connected with online features and infotainment apps. The vehicle is also fitted with a reversing camera and park distance control with front and rear sensors, which make parking effortless and stress-free. This has been a presentation of the Audi S3 2.0 TFSI Black Edition Sportback S Tronic quattro. For more information, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.